Detective, I'm now showing you what's marked as State Exhibit 68. Can you tell the jury what it is we're looking at here?
This is a close-up of the rest of the USB. As I mentioned earlier, the black plastic USB that you could see on the back, this is more the USB that was above the body.
So I want to talk about the ends of the cord.
Yes, sir.
Or cable, I guess, maybe a better word. Showing you again State Exhibit 66. Can you circle where one end of the cable was?
Yes, sir.
So right in the middle of the back,
yes, sir.
hanging down. And then on State Exhibit 68, are you able to see the other end of the cord?
Yes, sir, you can.
And can you tell us where that is? Detective, I want to turn your attention right up. If you go up from the end of the cord, up a little ways.
Yes, sir.
Can you move that up a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely. Detective, again, could you circle where the end of the cord is there? For the record, it's in the bottom middle of the photograph. Going from the end of the cord, tracing it upwards a little bit, what is the next piece that you see there?
The next piece, and I can't recall what it's got an official term, but I can't recall it, but it's this piece right here from the end of it.
And can you describe, well, obviously what the name of it is, but can you tell us what that looks like or what that piece is?
It's still a part of the USB itself. It's a thicker part of it.
And is it cable or harder plastic or something else? What's that thing like?
It's hard plastic, like the rest of the USB itself.
And Detective, can you describe what that harder piece of plastic is stuck through there?
It's stuck through the end of the other half of the USB that's been folded over, and it's essentially threaded through that loop.
And is what was holding that entire cord together then to maintain that position?
Just that little black circular part was the only thing completing the loop at that point.
Was there any knot that was tied with that end of the cord?
At that point of the cord right there? No, sir.
Right above that, at the top of the photograph that we're looking at, do you see a knot anywhere?
Yes, sir, I do.
And can you circle that for us? Was that the only knot you observed on this cord when you were on scene on September 16th?
That is correct.
Now showing you what's been marked as State Exhibit 69. Can you tell the jury what it is that we're looking at here?
Well, in the foreground is a tree branch, but behind that is the rest of the USB cord as it loops over a tree branch, which is above the body at the scene.
And can you circle that just so the jury is aware of what we're talking about? And that shows the USB cable where it goes over the branch and then back down.
Yes, sir.
And then finally, State Exhibit 70. Tell us what we're looking at there.
This is two indentations that were on that same branch itself after the ligature in the body had been removed from the scene.
And when you say ligature, what do you mean?
The USB cord itself.